Good morning, class second. Today we will going to reading chapter 4. Let's student start reading chapter 4. The name of chapter is Wild Animals. Put your finger, take a screenshot. Listen and read carefully. Student, this is your chapter number 4. Wild Animals. W-I-L-D, Wild, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, Animals. Wild animals. Wild animals means जंगली जानवर. जो जानवर जंगल में रहते हैं उनको हम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स कहते हैं. Now students, look at the picture. These animals are wild animals. Write the name of the following animals. This is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Write the name of elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. This is a giraffe. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. This is a wild animal. This is a rhino. R-H-I-N-O, rhino. This is zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O, hippo. L-I-O-N, lion. Okay students, these are wild animals. Now start reading. Animals that live in forest. F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forests. Underline the word forest. Forest are called wild animals. We can also see them in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. We can also see them in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries. W-I-L-D, wild. L-I-F-E, life, wildlife. S-A-N-C-T-U-A-R-I-E-S, sanctuaries. Underline the word of wildlife sanctuaries. Wildlife sanctuaries. Okay. Tiger, zebra, bear, deer, fox, etc. are wild animals. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tiger, zebra, bear, deer, fox, etc. are wild animals. Different types of wild animals live at different places and eat different kinds of food. Different different, different types, types, types of wild animals live at different places, 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 and eat different kinds of food. Homes of wild animals. Homes of wild animals. Wild animals live at different places, on land, on trees, and in or near water. Wild animals live at different places, on land, land, on trees, 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 and in or near, near water, water, water. Please turn the page, students. On land, on, on, land, land, on land. Some animals like elephant, giraffe, and zebra take shelter under the tree. On land, some animals like elephant, elephant, giraffe, giraffe, and zebra, zebra, take shelter, shelter. Underline the word shelter. Okay, shelter, under the tree. These are wild animals. Some animals live in natural homes. Some animals live in natural, natural. Underline the word of natural. Homes, natural. A bear lives in a cave, cave, and a lion lives in a den. Some animals live in natural homes. A bear lives in a cave and a lion lives in a den. Okay, students? Some animals live under the ground. Some animals live under the ground. Some animals live, live under, under the ground, ground. Rabbits dig burrows to live in. rabbit. rabbits, rabbits. Dig, dig, dig. Underline the word of dig, dig, dig. Burrows, 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 to live in. Snakes live in holes made in ground and in tree holes. Snakes live in holes made in ground and in tree holes. Snakes, snakes, snakes live in holes. holes, holes. made, made in ground. ground, ground, and in tree holes. On trees, on trees, 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 on trees. Some animals like monkey and squirrels live on trees. Some animals like monkey and squirrels live on trees. Some animals like monkey, monkeys, monkey, and squirrels, squirrels, squirrels live on trees. Birds make nests to lay eggs and raise their young ones. Birds make nests, nests, to lay, lay eggs, and raise, raise, raise. Underline the word of raise. Their young, young ones, ones. Different birds make different types of nests. Different birds make different types of nests. In or near water. In or near water. in or near, near water, water. Some animals live in or near water. Some animals live in or near water. They are called aquatic animals. They are called aquatic animals. AQUATIC, aquatic animals. ANIMALS, animals. Aquatic animals. Fish, whale, and octopus are aquatic animals. Fish, FISH, fish. Whale, 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 and octopus, OCTO, octo, PUS, octopus, are aquatic, aquatic, aquatic animals. Look at the picture, students. These animals are aquatic animals, or you say water animals also. Fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Whale, W-H-A-L-E, whale. Octopus, O-C-T-O, octo. P-U-S, pus, octopus. Some animals live both on land and in water. Some animals live both, B-O-T-H, both on land and in water. They are called amphibians. They are called amphibians. A-M-P-H-I-M-P-B-I-A-N-S, bians. Amphibians. Underline the word of amphibians. Frog, tortoise and crocodile are amphibians. F-R-O-G, frog. T-O-R, tor. T-O-I-S-E, toys, tortoise and crocodile. C-R-O, crow. C-O, croco. D-I-L-E, dial. Crocodile are amphibians. A-M-P-H-I-M-P-B-I-A-N-S, bians. Amphibians. Frog, tortoise and crocodile are amphibians. Students, these are your amphibian animals: frog, tortoise and crocodile. Wild animals live in groups. Wild animals live in groups. These groups are known by different names. Wild animals live in group, G-R-O-U-P-S, groups. These groups are known, K-N-O-W-N, known by different names, N-A-M-E-S, names. For example, a group of lion is called a pride, P-R-I-D-E, pride. A group of lions is called a pride, P-R-I-D-E, pride. A group of elephant is called a herd. A group of elephant is called a herd. A group of wolves is called a pack. A group of wolves is called a pack, P-A-C-K, pack. A group of monkey is called troop. A group of monkey is called troop, T-R-O-O-P, troop. Food for wild animals. Food for wild animals. Different animals eat different types of food. Different different. Different. Animals eat, eat. Different. 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 Types, types of food. 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 According to their different food habits, they are divided into different groups. According to their different food habits, they are divided into different groups. According to their different food habits, habits, they are divided, divided into different groups. Students, next is plants eaters or herbivorous. Plants eaters or herbivorous. Plant, 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 eaters, eaters, or herbi, herbi, virus, herbivorous. Animals that eat grass, leaves, and fruits are called plant eaters or herbivorous. Rabbit, deer, and giraffe are herbivorous. Please, students, turn the page. Flesh eaters or carnivorous. Flesh eaters or carnivorous. FLESH, flesh eaters, 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 or CARNI, carni, VORES, virus, carnivorous. Animals that hunt other animals and eat their flesh are called flesh eaters or carnivorous. Cheetah, fox, and snake are carnivorous. Animals that hunt, hunt other animals or eat their flesh are called flesh eaters or carnivorous. Cheetah, 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 fox, 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 and snake, 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 are carnivorous. Omnivorous, OMNIVORES, omnivorous. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Crow, birds, and bear are omnivorous. Animals that eat both, both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Crow, 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 BIRDS, birds, and bear, B-E-A-R, bear, are omnivorous. Scavengers. Scavengers, S-C-A-V-E-N-G-E-R-S, scavengers. S-C-A-V-E-N, scaven, G-E-R-S, scavengers. Animals that eat the flesh of dead animals are called scavengers. Vulture, jackal, and hyena are scavengers. Underline the word of scavengers. Okay, students. Animals that eat the flesh of dead, D-E-A-D, dead animals are called scavengers. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Jackal, J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. And hyena, H-Y-E-N-A, hyena, are scavengers. Animals in danger. Animals in danger, D-A-N-G-E-R, danger. Animals that live in forest are sometimes killed by human beings. Human beings hunt wild animals for their recreation, food, and many other things. Animals that live in forests are sometimes killed, K-I-L-L-E-D, killed by human, H-U-M-A-N, human being, B-E-I-N-G-S, beings. Human beings hunt, H-U-N-T, hunt wild animal for the recreation, R-E-C-R-E-A-T-I-O-N, recreation, food, and many other things. Due to this, animal like pandas, rhinoceros, rabbit, and tiger have become less in number or endangered. E-N-D-A-N-G-E-R-E-D, endangered. Many of them Asiatic, Asiatic, T-I-C, Asiatic lion, dodo, and great Indian hornbill no longer exist on the earth. They have become extinct. We need to stop hunting animals. Many of them like Asiatic lion, dodo, and great Indian hornbills, H-O-R-N, horn, B-I-L-L, bill, no longer exist on the earth. They have become extinct. We need to stop hunting the animals. To protect wild animals, many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries have been made. This helps in increasing their number. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. Number 2, some animals live in natural homes. Some animals live in or near water. Animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals are called omnivorous. Animals that live in forest are sometimes killed by human beings. So students, today your chapter number 4 reading is finished. So you all go to the washroom and wash your hands, ready for your next class.